Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you run a local service business like cleaning, plumbing, real estate, photography, clinics, gyms, or any service that works in a specific city, this video is extremely important. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps in local SEO to get more calls, messages, and customers in 2026. Step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. No ads, no complicated tools, just smart setup. So let's start. Understand how Google Maps actually works. You need to understand something. When someone searches plumber near me, dentist in Dubai, cleaning service in Washington, Google shows Google Maps results before websites. This section is called the local tag. If you rank there, you get free traffic, high intent customers, people ready to buy. Local SEO is not about keywords, it's about trust plus relevance plus location. Now, create or claim your Google Business profile. This is the foundation. You're gonna go to Google Business website, right, or business.google.com, and then what you're gonna do, hit start now. Okay, and fill this carefully. We're gonna fill now the business name. You can add the real name, no keywords, spam, let's say. Right. No, not this. Let me add a new name. And continue, right? Right, and choose the business category or business type. Let's say local store. Okay, and of course you're gonna add the address or service area. Oh, sorry. Business category and business type are two different things. So let's say service. Service. Continue. Add. And enter the, of course, address or service area and the postal code. Okay. In the country, of course. And what you're gonna do, add the phone number, right? Say none of these. And select, of course, your location. Okay. And of course, add your website if required, and if you have one. So I'm gonna add my phone number here. Alright. You can also skip this and put your business on the map. Get discovered by people in your area. Respond to reviews for business and all that stuff, right? And then just hit continue. Choose the most accurate main category, right? This affects rankings more than you think. Okay. And once you hit continue, you'll be inside in no time, right? Which takes us to the SEO, or optimize your business description. Your description should explain what you do, right? Or basically mention your city and be clear and honest. Example structure: who you help, what service you offer, and where you offer it. Avoid keyword stuffing, fake promises, or copy paste content. Okay, Google reads this, customers read this too, so both matters. Now you're gonna add, of course, the services properly inside your Google Business profile. Let me skip. Claim you $1,500 advertised credit. Okay, continue. Right, you can see my business here. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna add, of course, services properly. You can go ahead to the service or edit service, right, and add each service manually, right? You can add security service and add custom service here and hit save, right? Short description, match what actually or what people actually search for. For example, not premium cleaning solution, but home cleaning service in city, right? City A, city B. This helps Google match you to searches. As we mentioned, photos and videos, just like you've seen it now, like just just like what I showed you here. Upload your workspace, your tools, before and after, team photos, real service videos. Do not use stock photos or upload low quality images. Businesses with active photos rank higher, get more clicks, build more trust. Update photos at least once a month. And of course, reviews are the real SEO power. Google looks at number of reviews, frequency, keywords inside reviews, owner replies. And how to get reviews. Ask customers after they buy to review your service. Send review link on WhatsApp or email and keep it simple. Reply to every review, good or bad. Replies show activity, trust, professionalism. Never buy fake reviews. That destroys rankings. And the location consistency. NAP means name, address, phone number, right? These must be exactly the same everywhere. Google Maps, websites, social media, local directories, even small differences confuse Google. So consistency equals trust. And use the local keywords the right way. You don't need hundreds of keywords. Focus on service plus city, service plus area. For example, AC repair Dubai, hair salon Jeddah, plumber near me. Right? Use these naturally in descriptions, services, posts, or basically reviews organically. No keyword stuffing. And you can post on Google, right? Google posts are like mini social posts. You can use them to share offers, announce updates, post tips, promote services. Post once per week, short text, one image, clear CTA. This signals fresh activity, which Google loves. And track performance. I check searches, calls, messages, direction requests. This tells you what's working, what to improve, which services convert best. Data equals growth. Now, common local SEO mistakes here, which you should avoid: fake addresses, keyword stuffing, business name, no reviews, inactive profile, ignoring customer messages. Google rewards real businesses. Right? With proper setup, more calls, more local leads, higher trust, less dependence on ads. Local SEO compounds. It gets stronger over time. Now, in 2026, local SEO is one of the highest ROI marketing strategies. Google Maps is your best free salesperson. If you serve a local area and ignore this, you're leaving money on the table. So, if you want tutorials on ranking faster on Google Maps, local SEO for service businesses, getting more reviews ethically, subscribe, like the video, and comment local SEO below. See you in the next one.